In 2025, Kia Corporation has experienced notable fluctuations in its global sales and inventory levels. In January 2025, Kia reported global sales of 239,571 units, marking a 2.4% decrease compared to the same period in 2024. This decline was primarily influenced by a 13.9% drop in domestic sales within Korea, attributed to a reduced number of business days due to the Lunar New Year holiday. Conversely, sales outside of Korea remained stable, with a slight increase of 0.1% year-over-year. Despite these challenges, Kia's performance in the U.S. market has been strong. In January 2025, Kia America achieved its best ever January sales, with 57,007 units sold, representing a 12% increase compared to the same period in the previous year. However, some consumers have reported difficulties in obtaining replacement parts for certain 2025 Kia models. For instance, an individual seeking an exterior trim piece for a 2025 Kia K4 was informed that the part could take between 1 to 6 months to arrive, with additional delays due to pending price listings. This situation suggests potential supply chain disruptions affecting specific components. Industry analyses indicate that after 2 years of low inventory, the automotive market is experiencing a resurgence in 2025, with new car inventory levels rising as of February. This shift suggests a transition towards a buyer's market, offering consumers more options and potentially better deals. In summary,